Hostinger subdomain. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to connect a subdomain to Hostinger website builder. So let's get started. First, open your Hostinger hPanel and go to the website section after logging in. Then click Add Website and select Hostinger Website Builder from the drop-down. Then choose a template, pick any template you like and open it in the website editor. Then go to Connect Domain in the top right corner, however Connect Domain and click it. Then enter your subdomain, type your subdomain. When the suggestion appears, click it and press Next. Hostinger automatically creates the CNAME record in your DNS linking your subdomain. There are some optional features, that is manual setup. If needed, go to your DNS zone and add a CNAME record manually. Just add your name, target and detail. Then finish setup, return to your website builder, finish editing and connect the subdomain again if required. And that's how you will be able to connect a subdomain to hosting your website builder.